How to redeem Fortnite gift card on a PS4. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to fortnite.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now click on this profile icon and select V-Bucks card. Now, if you have an Epic Games account, you might be prompted to sign into your Epic Games account. Click on the Get Started option. Then over here, you will have to enter your code from the back of your V-Bucks card. The code you need is located on the back of the card under a scratch-off security covering. Once you have entered the code, click on the Next option. Now you will have to select in which device you want to use the V-Bucks card. From the drop-down menu, select PlayStation. Then click on Next. Now review the details and click Confirm if all the details are correct. After that, you want to open Fortnite on your PS4 to view and spend your V-Bucks. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.